can you please help us clarify this interest thing? And no, we have 4 to 20 weeks. So
Yes.
how is the interest? What percentages are the interest for the 4 to 20 weeks?
All right. So the interest, depending on the weeks that you are going for.
Okay.
So, and then most of the time we tell the customers, we having a 40% down payment on our flyers and all of that, just like these 40%.
Yeah, 40%.
So it does not mean that you should pay that exact 40%.
Okay.
So you can just pay more so that you can have a easy way of paying back the repayments.
Okay, so if I pay more than 40%,
40%, it will reduce.
The amount I'm to pay
Exactly.
back. Okay.
Then now another way is that if it's going to be reduced, you must not go for a longer week.
Okay.
A longer week.
Okay.
For me, I've seen a lot of people that went for 20 weeks and they are doing fine with repayments.
Okay.
While some people might go for it and they will not be doing fine with it.
Okay.
So, but if you are going, the more weeks that you choose, the more interest that it will be.
Okay, so the
higher the weeks, the higher the interest.
Okay.
So the lower the week, the lower the interest.
Okay.
For instance, now the 40%, the 4 weeks now, I'm very sure it might be high. The price might be, the repayment might be high, but the interest will be low.
Okay, so you're saying that if I go for 4 weeks now,
yes,
let's assume I bought a phone now, and then I'm going to be paying, let's say, 30,000 naira every week for 4 weeks. The interest is low.
It's low, but the
if
price,
I go for the repayment is high, 30,000 naira.
Yes.
But if I go for, let's say, 12 weeks now,
it will be the interest will be high and the repayment will be low.
So that's 12 weeks. Now maybe I might now be, instead of 30,000 naira, I might now be paying maybe like 17,000
exactly
every week.
Exactly.
12 weeks. Okay.